for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, running boards, heated seats, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, rear window defroster, security system, power moonroof. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.